In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music and sound in Riverside.fm. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting out, enhancing your audio with music can make your content more engaging and professional. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to your Riverside.fm dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your projects. Select the project you want to enhance with background sound. Clicking on your project will provide a range of options for editing and optimizing your content. This is the area where you can transform plain recordings into polished productions. Next, locate the Edit option within your chosen project. By clicking this, you'll enter the Studio Editor, which offers a suite of tools to refine your content. The editor is quite user-friendly, making it easy to navigate the different functionalities it offers. With the editor open, look for the Add Music button. Clicking on this will give you the option to inject background music directly into your recording. This feature is incredibly useful for creators looking to add another layer of depth to their podcasts or video projects. Be mindful of the mood and tempo of the music you choose, ensuring it aligns with the overall tone of your content. After you've clicked Add Music, you'll be given the option to upload your own audio files. To do this, select the Upload button. It's crucial to choose high-quality audio files to ensure your final product sounds professional. Keep in mind that shorter loops or tracks are generally better if you're only looking to add subtle background ambiance. Also, ensure you have the necessary rights or permissions to use the music you're uploading. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to select the music you plan to incorporate. Carefully scroll through the uploaded tracks and click on the one that best suits your content. This small step can significantly enhance the emotional impact and engagement level of your project. If you're unsure, play around with a few different selections to find the perfect fit. As you wrap up this process, take a moment to preview your changes. Listen to your recording with the added music to ensure everything blends seamlessly. Adjust the volume levels if necessary so the music complements rather than overpowers the primary audio. When satisfied, save your project and you'll have successfully enhanced your content with music through Riverside.fm. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added a professional touch to your project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore other features Riverside.fm offers to continue improving your content. See you next time.